Hey there, heart lovers. Welcome back to HeartPowered, your go-to spot for all things heart health. Today, we're diving into the world of cholesterol with 10 tips to help you lower bad cholesterol levels fast. So grab a comfy seat, a heart-healthy snack, and let's whip that cholesterol into shape. Before we dive in, if you want the latest to support your natural journey to optimal holistic heart health, then hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's drop bad cholesterol like it's hot and keep our hearts happy and healthy together. Let's kick things off with the power of plants. Because who knew veggies could be such superheroes? Turns out, they're like tiny cholesterol sponges, soaking up all the bad stuff in your system. Think of them as the caped crusaders of your plate, fighting off cholesterol villains left and right. Who knew that incorporating more fruits, veggies, and whole grains into your diet can work wonders for your cholesterol levels? Research has shown that a plant-based diet can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol, by up to 15%. These plant-based foods are rich in soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up cholesterol and whisking it away before it has a chance to clog your arteries. So load up your plate with colorful produce like berries, spinach, and quinoa for a cholesterol-busting boost with every bite. Now, onto heart-healthy fats. Avocado lovers, rejoice! It's time to celebrate your healthy fat obsession. These creamy green wonders are like the superheroes of the fat world, swooping in to save your heart from the clutches of bad cholesterol. So go ahead, load up your Taco Tuesdays full of guacamole with pride. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are created equal. In fact, certain fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, can actually boost your good cholesterol levels while lowering bad cholesterol. Studies have shown that incorporating these healthy fats into your diet can reduce LDL cholesterol levels by up to 20%. These omega-3 fatty acids act as superheroes for your heart, swooping in to protect against plaque buildup and inflammation. So swap out saturated fats like butter for healthier alternatives like olive oil or avocado spread, and watch your cholesterol levels thank you. Next up, let's get moving. Exercise isn't just about fitting into those skinny jeans. It's about giving your heart the workout it deserves. Picture your heart doing jumping jacks and high fives as you get your sweat on. Exercise isn't just for the gym rats, it's for the heart lovers too. Physical activity revs up your metabolism, prompting your body to burn excess fat and cholesterol for fuel. Plus, it strengthens your heart muscle, making it more efficient at pumping blood and oxygen throughout your body. Research has shown that engaging in regular aerobic exercise can increase HDL cholesterol, also known as the good cholesterol, by up to 10%. So lace up those sneakers and aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Whether it's dancing to your favorite tunes, swimming laps at the pool, or taking a brisk walk around the neighborhood, find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine for a healthier heart. Now, stress. It's like the ultimate cholesterol party crasher, barging in and wreaking havoc on your heart health. But no worries. You hold the power to kick stress to the curb with some good old relaxation techniques. It's time to zen out and show stress who's boss. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can cause your cholesterol levels to soar. Studies have shown that chronic stress is associated with higher levels of LDL cholesterol and lower levels of HDL cholesterol. So it's crucial to find healthy ways to manage stress, whether it's through yoga, meditation, or simply taking time for yourself to unwind and relax. Practice deep breathing exercises, schedule regular breaks throughout the day, and prioritize self-care activities like reading, listening to music, or spending time in nature to keep your stress levels in check and your cholesterol levels in balance. And let's not forget about our fiber-packed friends, the superfoods of the cholesterol world. Oats, beans, and lentils might not sound glamorous, but they're the unsung heroes of the cholesterol battle. Who knew a bowl of oatmeal could be your heart's best friend? These foods are packed with soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive tract, soaking up cholesterol and ushering it out of your body. Research has shown that incorporating these superfoods into your diet can reduce LDL cholesterol levels by up to 5%. So don't underestimate the humble bean. It could be your heart's best friend. Try starting your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, enjoying a satisfying bean and vegetable soup for lunch, or whipping up a batch of lentil tacos for dinner. With so many delicious and nutritious options to choose from, eating for heart health has never been easier or more delicious. Now, onto laughter, because who says heart health can't be fun? Cue the cheesy jokes and laugh until your heart's content. It's like a workout for your funny bone, with the added bonus of boosting your cholesterol levels. Who knew laughter could be such good medicine? Did you know that laughing can actually improve your cholesterol levels? It's true. When you laugh, your body releases endorphins, which help relax your blood vessels and improve blood flow. Research has shown that laughter therapy can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol levels. So go ahead, cue up your favorite comedy and let the giggles roll. Your heart will thank you. Invite friends over for a movie night, attend a comedy show, or browse funny videos online to get your daily dose of laughter and give your heart a boost. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, smoking. It's like the arch nemesis of heart health, lurking in the shadows and wreaking havoc on your cholesterol levels. But fear not, heart lovers. You have the power to quit smoking and reclaim your heart health. It's time to say goodbye to cigarettes and hello to fresh air. Smoking lowers your good cholesterol levels and raises your bad cholesterol levels, putting you at a higher risk for heart disease. Research has shown that quitting smoking can lead to a significant increase in HDL cholesterol levels and a decrease in LDL cholesterol levels within just a few months. So if you're a smoker, now's the time to kick the habit for good. Seek support from friends, family, or a smoking cessation program, and explore alternative strategies like nicotine replacement therapy or counseling to help you quit smoking and protect your heart health for years to come. Now, onto sleep, because who knew catching Z's could be so heart healthy? It's like giving your heart a cozy blanket and tucking it in for the night. So dim the lights, fluff up those pillows, and get ready for some serious heart-healthy snoozing. Getting enough shut-eye isn't just crucial for your overall well-being, it's also essential for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. When you're sleep-deprived, your body produces more cortisol, a stress hormone that can raise your cholesterol levels. Research has shown that getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can lead to improvements in cholesterol levels, including a decrease in LDL cholesterol and an increase in HDL cholesterol. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your heart happy and healthy. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, set a consistent sleep schedule, and create a comfortable sleep environment free of distractions to promote restful sleep and support your heart health. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about the power of community. Because let's face it, heart health is more fun with friends. It's like having your own personal cheering squad, rooting you on every step of the way. So gather your heart squad and get ready to conquer cholesterol together. Surrounding yourself with supportive friends and family members can make all the difference when it comes to your heart health journey. They can provide encouragement, accountability, and a shoulder to lean on during tough times. Research has shown that having strong social support is associated with lower levels of LDL cholesterol and higher levels of HDL cholesterol. So don't be afraid to reach out and lean on your loved ones. Together, you can conquer bad cholesterol and keep your heart strong and healthy. Plan regular heart-healthy activities with friends and family, join a local exercise group or cooking class, or start a heart-healthy challenge together to support each other's goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Well, there you have it, Heart Lovers' 10 top tips to lower bad cholesterol levels fast. Small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your heart health. Remember, taking care of your heart can be fun, so pick a tip, any tip, and start living your best heart-healthy life today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Together, we'll laugh, sweat, and snack our way to heart health greatness. Until next time, keep spreading the love and keeping those hearts happy and healthy.